Hello guys, welcome to this easy tutorial. Today we're gonna learn how to make this kind of textures, which is quite easy to make and it's quite convenient. You can first, for instance, do this, and if you subdivide it enough, you can get an easy texture. You see? Now you can model something. Well, somewhat, but this would be a final result. I've used it on this, which is easy, and the best part is that it doesn't need any like texture, it's just pure nodes. So let's get in. Alright, so the first thing you'll need is an object. It can be a cube, I think, too. Set it to texture mode so that way you'll be able to see it. Let's go to shading, and in shading we'll be able to modify the nodes. First of all, select your object, create new, and for this we're gonna use a node called brick texture, which is this one. It's on the texture here. On top of it you have brick texture added, and that's it. We're gonna connect it, and you can see there's this pattern of brick over here, which can be useful to make walls and many other stuff if you combine it with textures of many things, you know, like dirtiness and stuff, dust. Those things can be useful, but we're making a Minecraft texture here, or at least a simple one. So the first thing we're gonna do is, you see, these bricks are like this one here, like there's some like space between them in like the lines, so we're gonna get rid of it. Then the scale does this, which depends on your scene. Just make sure it's like the same size of the pixels of your scenes. Like if you add a texture, I don't know, grass, make sure the pixels are the same size of this once we finish it. And the mortar is like the space in between the bricks, like what in real life would be the concrete, the cement. If we decrease it to 0, we get rid of it. And as you can see, these are like stretched out on the sides, so we're gonna get rid of that and get the same result. And done. That's pretty much it. Now we can add to add textures, we can add a color ramp, and this is gonna control like the noisiness, how noisy it is. We can also control it by the distance, as you can see. And if we increase this, it becomes less like contrasted, I don't know. And some tips I can give you is, if you wanna make I don't know, a cloth or something, you can set it to, I don't know, green. And what you're gonna do is change this a little in here, for instance, and we can put this here, and we can sort of make something useful. Then we can add ambient occlusion and all the stuff, and that's pretty much it. With this we can make quite the things, and to test it I'm gonna add this too. Yeah, it kinda works on the sides, but it would need some fixing on the UVs, but it can work, you know. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Enjoy the tutorial and modeling sessions of this, because this scene, these clothes, which I couldn't bother myself to make a texture, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye bye.